Hi everyone, this is just a little quick tutorial. I want to show you on how you can make some wall art for your dollhouse. I'm going to use a kebab stick. Use this doggy nail nippers to cut the kebab stick because it's round here, so it cuts everything that I usually use that's round. It cuts it easily. You can use a scissor or a wire cutter if you want, but I prefer to use this because it gives a nice round cut and it doesn't splinter. So yeah, my dogs anyhow doesn't like when I use it on them, so that's why I'm using it with all my art stuff. Okay, I've got a little piece of vessie and I had it lying around here. It's almost a perfect size. I'm just going to make it a little bit shorter and then twine to hang it. And was just a little decoration embroidery sequence, something that I found in a bag full of lace that I bought at my haberdashery. So I'm going to use that and put it on here. And then, yeah, so yeah, let's get started. There you go. Good little wall art. I'm going to put that in my kitchen. Bye.